Hi, good morning, kindergartners. How's everyone doing today? Good? Yeah, I'm having a great time this morning. I just made up this math lesson. I'm ready to show you guys. And now, obviously, I know I will not be able to interact with you because we cannot be in school today, but I'm still going to try to ask some questions and we're still going to get some work done in math, and this is going to be fun, okay? I'm going to make this as fun as possible and as unstressful as possible for you and your parents, okay? So, to get started today, I have a quick little book I want you guys to read. And you don't have to actually read it. I'm going to pull it up on YouTube and we're going to read it together, okay? Okay. So let me just get this set up really quick. I'm up here now. And we're going to be watching or reading, I guess, this book. And it's called Everybody Counts by Stuart J. Murphy.
Everybody Counts by Stuart J. Murphy, illustrated by Fiona Dunbar.
So do you see right there, you see all those different numbers? Let's count them up really quick, okay? So there's a little mouse in here, but that's actually one. So 1, 2, this is an instrument. 3, can't really tell what that is. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and my screen might be black right here, but this is 10. 10. That's kind of cool to have those numbers right at the beginning, huh?
Everybody Counts. When I wake up feeling lonely, crummy, yucky, very sad,
That's how I feel whenever I have to get out of bed in the morning. Am I right?
I count up all my buddies, and I'm happy, cheery, glad. I count my little
How many hamsters do you guys see? One. Yeah, there's one hamster right here.
hamster that I hold in my big hand. 1. And I count my older sisters who play trumpets in a band.
All right, how many sisters does she have? 1, 2. And they play trumpets. These are our trumpets. Okay, right here. You might have played those one day in band class.
2. I count my cousin's kittens.
Oh, let's see how many kittens there are. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You can see right here, there's the number 3 because that's how many kittens there are. And this is how you spell 3 right here. Th-r-e.
Who always like to play. 3. And the people.
All right, how many people are visiting in the store today? So this is the worker, but people in the store. Oh, there's 4 people, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a little child right there, so I don't know if she counts. So there's 4 people right here.
in the store that I visit every day. 4.
Or
I count my next.
how many next door neighbors are there for this little girl? 1, 2, 3,
door neighbors
4,
who put
5.
pennies in my bank.
Oops, I don't know what happened there.
5. And I count my slinky fish
You gotta try to count how
in
many
their
fish there are.
bubbly tank. 6.
Mm-hmm.
I count my aunts and uncles who visit in their cars. 7. And all.
And if you need to pause the video, guys, that's okay. You can pause this video and count how many people there are and practice reading the number and how it's spelled in writing.
My favorite playmates who like to stare at stars. 8. I count my special friends in the stories I have read. 9.
Wow, there's a lot of different characters here. Let's try to find them all. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. That's a lot.
And my cuddly teddy bears who snuggle in my bed.
A lot of teddy bears.
I'm a very lucky person, as anyone can see. My buddies can be counted, and they can always count on me. 1, 2,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6, 7,
7, 8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
All right, now that we're done reading that video, we got to get into the math lesson now. I know, I'm sorry, but I want to practice something, all right? So we did a lot of counting in that book, right? We counted a lot of different things, and we showed the different numbers. So I want to practice counting. So I drew out a little number chart, and I guess it's really hard to see. We're gonna try our best, okay? So I want you guys to start at 1, and we're gonna count to 10, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. But can you guys count from a number that, can you guys start counting from a number that's not 1? Like, why don't you try counting from 2? All right, let's practice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a little bit harder when you don't start from 1, right? Let's try another one. Let's try 6, okay? Can you guys start from 6? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let's start from another number. What's another number we can start from? What if we start from 10 and count up to 20? Can we do that, guys? Let's try. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. I know it's hard to see this, guys, but just bear with me, okay? All right. So it's a lot harder to start to count when you're not starting from 1, right? But that's something when we get older that we're going to have to do. We're not always going to start with one thing. We might have to start with a lot of different things first, okay? So that's what we're going to learn about today. And there's a little game I come up with. It's called I Wish I Had. So, and this game normally would be using tens charts, but I don't have any tens charts with me. But I know you guys have some in your folders. So if you want to pause this video and grab those in your counters really quick, that would be awesome. But I left mine in the classroom, guys. I'm sorry. But instead, I drew it out on my piece of paper to help you guys see it better. So what we're going to do with this is I'm going to start out with a number, okay? I'm going to start out with, right now, I have, 1 second, I have 3 counters drawn. Can you guys see that? I have 3 counters drawn. So we're going to start with 3, and I'm going to say, I wish I had 6. So you're going to start with 3 counters, and you're going to have to count up to 6. So let's practice together. So I have 1, 2, 3 counters. So let's start counting. 4, 5, 6. See, now I have 3 counters. I started off with these 3 right here and added 1, 2, 3 more. So if you start off with 3, like that, you see? There we go. Start off with 3, and I added 3 more, that equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Everyone see that? All right, let's try another one. So this time I'm going to let you guys go with it and try your best. So we're going to start off with 2 counters. See? Everyone see that? 2 counters. And I wish I had 5. Can you guys start with 2 counters and count to 5? Okay? I'm going to give you a couple 30 seconds and let's see if you guys can figure this out. Just a couple more seconds, guys. And if you need more time, you can pause this video and work it out yourself. But just a couple more seconds, okay? Okay, everyone got their answers? Okay. So we start off with two counters, okay? And then we added, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many did I add to those two counters? I added 3. 1, 2, 3. And that equals 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. See? I know it's backwards, but 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right, we're going to try one more, okay? So that's almost the time we have left is one more. So this is going to be a little bit trickier. You guys ready? We are going to start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to start off with 6 counters, okay, guys? And I want you guys to count to 10. I wish I had 10 numbers, okay? All right, let's try to get to 10 counters, all right? So we're starting off with 6. And I want to know how many more I need to get to 10, all right? I'll give you guys a few seconds to figure that out. And like I said before, guys, if you need to pause this video to figure this out, that is okay. I will be here waiting because this video will be played, can be played whenever. All right, just a few more seconds. Okay, everybody ready? All right, so we started off with 6 counters, okay? 6 counters. So we're gonna add a couple more. So 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did we add? We added 1, 2, 3, 4. We added 4 counters. So that means 6 plus 4 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Can everybody see that? Awesome. Now, usually we do a little bit more, but we don't really have time for that right now, guys. So now it's time for math. Good job today. Now it's time for our math lesson. Sorry, we're already doing math.